Ang nakakapagtaka dito, why do you have a Chinese diplomat negotiating directly with an officer of the Armed Forces of the Philippines? So ayun
So,
yung
isang
question doon. No? Sabi nga nung sa statement, in a way, no, ang term doon is a breach of protocol. Why will you talk with a ranking officer of the Armed Forces of the Philippines? Dapat dyan, ang counterpart mo, dapat Department of Foreign Affairs. Is the Department of Foreign Affairs aware of this, breach of what we call the normal diplomatic channel? So, doon ko na tinitignan.
Okay.
Ganun ba katindi yung, kumbaga, clout ng Chinese embassy sa loob ho ng ating gobyerno? So, in a way, no, kung titignan ko yan, the Chinese embassy is acting not like a normal diplomatic post, is acting like a proconsul.